15 new UNESCO World Heritage Sites added in 2024. Explore the latest additions to the UNESCO World Heritage List in 2024. Discover 15 newly inscribed sites that span across the globe, each offering a unique glimpse into diverse cultures, histories, and natural wonders. Welcome to our exploration of the Moidems, the ancient mound burial system of the Ahom dynasty, now recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Located in Assam, India, these burial mounds date back to the 13th century and are a testament to the cultural heritage of the Ahom dynasty. The Ahom rulers, who reigned over Assam for nearly 600 years, developed the Moidam burial system as part of their funerary practices. These mounds are the final resting places for royalty and nobility, showcasing the dynasty's rituals and reverence for the deceased. Constructed with layers of soil and brick, each Moidam reflects a blend of Hindu and Tahom traditions, embodying the dynasty's spiritual beliefs. The Moidams are remarkable for their architectural ingenuity. They vary in size, with some reaching up to 30 meters in height. Larger Moidams often contain multiple chambers designed to house remains alongside artifacts like jewelry and weapons, believed to accompany the deceased in the afterlife. Nelson Mandela Legacy Sites, South Africa sites celebrating Mandela's role in human rights and reconciliation. Explore the Nelson Mandela Legacy Sites, newly added to UNESCO's World Heritage List in 2024. These sites celebrate Mandela's pivotal role in human rights and reconciliation. Visit Robben Island, where Mandela's 18 years of imprisonment symbolize resilience. Discover the Apartheid Museum in Johannesburg, detailing apartheid's harsh realities and Mandela's leadership. Tour Liliesleaf Farm, the secret ANC headquarters, marking Mandela's arrest. Experience Mandela House in Soweto for insights into his personal life. Constitution Hill represents justice, and Freedom Park honors liberation heroes. These sites collectively honor Mandela's enduring legacy for equality and peace. Cultural landscape of Kenozero Lake, Russia, a stunning mix of traditional architecture and agricultural practices. Discover the cultural landscape of Kenozero Lake in Russia, a newly inscribed UNESCO World Heritage Site. This stunning area blends traditional wooden architecture with unique agricultural practices adapted to the harsh northern environment. The site features historic wooden churches, traditional farmsteads, and picturesque landscapes that reflect centuries of local culture and resilience. The local community has preserved its distinctive way of life, showcasing a harmonious relationship between people and nature. Kenozero Lake's cultural landscape offers an exceptional glimpse into Russia's rich heritage, highlighting the enduring beauty and traditions of this remote region. Melka Kunture and Balchit, Ethiopia, key archaeological and paleontological sites revealing early human life. Explore Melka Kunture and Balchit in Ethiopia, newly designated UNESCO World Heritage Sites. These key archaeological and paleontological sites offer profound insights into early human life. Melka Kunture, located in the highlands, features ancient stone tools and remains that illuminate early hominid behaviors and technologies. Balchit, another crucial site, provides evidence of prehistoric settlements and subsistence practices. Together, these sites reveal the evolutionary history of early humans, showcasing how our ancestors adapted to their environment. The findings at Melka Kunture and Balchit are pivotal for understanding human origins and the development of early societies, making them invaluable to both archaeology and paleontology. Hegmetene, Iran, ancient Ecbatana offering insights into early urban development. Explore Hegmetene in Iran, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known as Ancient Ecbatana. Once a major city of the Median Empire, Hegmetene provides invaluable insights into early urban development and civilization. Situated in the modern city of Hamadan, The site features extensive archaeological remains, including fortifications, palaces, and residential structures, illustrating the advanced architectural and urban planning skills of its builders. The city was a cultural and administrative hub, showcasing the Medians' influence on subsequent empires, including the Achaemenids and Parthians. Excavations at Hegmetene have revealed artifacts such as pottery, inscriptions, and coins, shedding light on the daily life, trade, and governance of this ancient metropolis. As a center of political and cultural activity, Hegmetene highlights the evolution of urban landscapes in the ancient world, offering a unique glimpse into the past and its enduring impact on regional history. Phu Phrabat, Thailand rock art and ancient stone carvings from the Dwaravati period. Discover Phu Phrabat in Thailand, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its remarkable rock art and ancient stone carvings dating back to the Dwaravati period. Located in the Phu Phan Mountains, this archaeological site features unique formations shaped by natural erosion, serving as canvases for prehistoric art. These carvings and paintings depict scenes from daily life, religious rituals, and mythological stories, offering a glimpse into early Thai civilization and cultural beliefs. The site also includes ancient structures used for spiritual ceremonies, reflecting the religious and social significance of the area. Phu Phrabat provides valuable insights into the Dwaravati culture, highlighting the artistic and spiritual heritage of ancient Thailand. Its preservation allows us to appreciate the continuity of human expression and the deep connection between people and their environment across centuries. Saint Hilarion Monastery Tel Amarmeyr, State of Palestine, a blend of early Christian monasticism and ancient urban remains. Discover the Saint Hilarion Monastery and Tel Amarmeyr in the State of Palestine, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that blends early Christian monasticism with ancient urban remains. Situated near Gaza, the site dates back to the 4th century and was founded by Saint Hilarion, a pioneering monk who brought monasticism to the region. The monastery complex includes chapels, baptismal fonts, and living quarters, showcasing the spiritual life and architectural ingenuity of early Christian communities. Tel Amarmeyr also contains ruins of ancient towns, offering insights into urban development during the Byzantine period. The site reflects the cultural and religious transformations that shaped the region, highlighting the interaction between Christian and local traditions. Excavations have unearthed mosaics, pottery, and inscriptions that illustrate the daily life and artistic achievements of its inhabitants. Saint Hilarion Monastery and Tel Amarmeyr stand as a testament to the region's rich historical heritage and its enduring legacy. Via Appia, Italy, the ancient Queen of Roads crucial to the Roman Empire's expansion. Discover Via Appia, Italy's ancient road, newly designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Known as the Queen of Roads, Via Appia was crucial to the Roman Empire's expansion and administration. Built in 312 BC by Appius Claudius Caecus, the road connected Rome to the southern regions of Italy, facilitating trade, military movements, and cultural exchange. Stretching over 500 kilometers, it was engineered with remarkable precision, featuring large stone slabs and a durable foundation that has withstood the test of time. Along the route, you'll find historical sites such as tombs, monuments, and ruins that provide insights into Roman life and architecture. The road played a vital role in the spread of Roman influence, linking cities and fostering the empire's growth. Today, Via Appia stands as a testament to Roman engineering prowess and its enduring impact on infrastructure development. It invites us to explore the ancient past and appreciate the legacy of Roman civilization. Badan Jaran Desert, towers of sand and lakes, China, unique sand dunes and ephemeral lakes in a dynamic desert landscape. Discover the Badan Jaran Desert in China, newly recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, celebrated for its unique towers of sand and ephemeral lakes. This stunning desert landscape, located in Inner Mongolia, is home to some of the tallest sand dunes in the world, with peaks reaching up to 500 meters. The desert's dynamic landscape features strikingly beautiful, multicolored dunes shaped by strong winds and shifting sands. Interspersed among these towering dunes are over 100 freshwater and saltwater lakes, creating a rare and captivating contrast in this arid environment. These lakes, sustained by underground water sources, support diverse ecosystems and are essential to local wildlife and plant species. The Badan-Jaran Desert's unique geological and hydrological features make it an extraordinary natural wonder. It offers insights into desert ecology and showcases the delicate balance between the forces of nature. Visitors can marvel at the breathtaking scenery and experience the tranquil beauty of this remarkable desert landscape. Al-Jiml, Jordan. Well-preserved ruins of ancient desert towns with historical significance. Explore Al-Jiml in Jordan, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its well-preserved ruins of ancient desert towns. Located in northern Jordan, Al-Jiml was a bustling settlement from the Nabatae, Roman, Byzantine, and early Islamic periods, showcasing a rich tapestry of cultural history. The site features intricately designed basalt stone architecture, including homes, churches, and a Roman military base. These structures highlight the adaptability and resilience of its inhabitants, who developed innovative water management systems to thrive in the arid environment. Al-Jiml's strategic location along ancient trade routes contributed to its prosperity and cultural exchange. Its architectural style and urban layout reflect the blending of various influences, offering insights into the daily lives and societal structures of its diverse communities. Today, Al-Jiml stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring legacy of Jordan's historical heritage, inviting visitors to step back in time and explore its fascinating past. Historic town and archaeological site of Gedi, Kenya. Ancient Swahili town revealing trade and cultural exchanges. Discover the historic town and archaeological site of Gedi in Kenya, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that showcases the rich heritage of an ancient Swahili town. Nestled in the coastal forests of Kenya, Gedi thrived between the 13th and 17th centuries as a vibrant hub of trade and cultural exchange. The ruins of Gedi feature coral stone houses, a grand mosque, and intricately carved tombs, reflecting the town's architectural sophistication and social organization. Excavations have unearthed artifacts such as Chinese porcelain, Venetian glass, and Persian pottery, illustrating Gedi's extensive trade connections with distant civilizations. This site provides valuable insights into the Swahili culture and its role in the Indian Ocean trade network. The blend of African, Arab, and Asian influences is evident in Gedi's art, architecture, and way of life. Today, Gedi stands as a testament to the dynamic cultural interactions that shaped the Swahili coast, offering a window into a rich and interconnected past. The emergence of modern human behavior, South Africa Pleistocene sites highlighting early human innovation and social practices. Explore the Pleistocene sites in South Africa, designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, showcasing the emergence of modern human behavior. These remarkable sites reveal crucial evidence of early human innovation, art, and social practices dating back over 100,000 years. Located in the cradle of humankind and other regions, these sites include caves and rock shelters that have preserved tools, engravings, and remnants of ancient dwellings. The archaeological discoveries highlight the development of complex cognitive abilities, such as abstract thinking and symbolic communication, that define modern humans. Artifacts like stone tools, bone implements, and ochre paintings illustrate the technological and artistic advancements of our ancestors. These sites provide insights into the social structures and cultural evolution of early human communities, showcasing their adaptability and resilience in diverse environments. Today, They offer a unique opportunity to understand the foundations of human behavior and the shared heritage that unites us all. Schwerin Residence Ensemble, Germany. Architectural splendor of the Northern European Renaissance. Discover the Schwerin Residence Ensemble in Germany, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that exemplifies the architectural splendor of the Northern European Renaissance. This stunning complex is located in the picturesque city of Schwerin and is renowned for its majestic castle, lush gardens, and historic buildings. Schwerin Castle, often referred to as the Neuschwanstein of the North, is a masterpiece of Romantic historicism, combining elements of Gothic, Baroque, and Renaissance styles. Set on an island in Lake Schwerin, the castle's turrets and towers create a fairy tale silhouette against the sky. The ensemble includes the Grand Ducal Palace, the State Museum, and the former royal stables, all reflecting the opulence and cultural ambitions of the Mecklenburg rulers. The carefully landscaped gardens and parklands add to the site's beauty, offering a tranquil escape. The Schwerin Residence Ensemble stands as a testament to the region's artistic heritage and its role in shaping Northern European culture and history. Sado Island Gold Mines, Japan. Historic mining sites illustrating Japan's Edo period economy. Explore the Sado Island Gold Mines in Japan, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that highlights the historic mining sites central to Japan's Edo period economy. Located on Sado Island in the Sea of Japan, these mines were among the largest and most productive in the world during the 17th to 19th centuries. The Sado gold and silver mines significantly contributed to Japan's wealth, fueling the country's economic growth and trade expansion. The site features a network of tunnels and shafts, ancient mining equipment, and processing facilities, showcasing the advanced mining techniques of the era. The mines also reflect the social history of the Edo period, as they were operated by the Tokugawa shogunate and employed a large workforce, including laborers from across Japan. Today, the Sado Island gold mines offer a glimpse into the technological innovations and economic strategies that shaped Japan's development, preserving an important chapter in the nation's industrial heritage and cultural history. Royal Court of Taibil, Burkina Faso. Decorated buildings reflecting the artistic traditions of the Kaso people. Discover the Royal Court of Taibil in Burkina Faso, a UNESCO World Heritage Site celebrated for its decorated buildings that reflect the artistic traditions of the Kaso people. Situated in the southern part of the country, the Royal Court is renowned for its elaborately painted earthen architecture, with intricate geometric patterns and vibrant colors adorning the walls. These designs are created using natural pigments and showcase the Kaso people's cultural heritage and craftsmanship. The architecture, consisting of round huts and rectangular dwellings, is not only visually striking but also functional, offering protection from the harsh climate. The Royal Court serves as the residence of the Kaso royal family and is a center for traditional governance and cultural ceremonies. Today, it stands as a testament to the Kaso people's rich artistic legacy and their enduring connection to their cultural roots, inviting visitors to appreciate the beauty and history of this unique African heritage site. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the 15 new UNESCO World Heritage Sites added in 2024. From ancient burial mounds to historic desert towns, these sites offer a glimpse into the diverse cultural and natural heritage of our world. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more fascinating stories about global heritage, please like the video and subscribe to the She News YouTube channel. Your support helps us bring you more insightful content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest releases. Thank you for watching.
She News channel where the stories come alive. Empowering voices where the truth thrives. From the boardroom to the street, every woman's feet. We're breaking barriers every day, week by week. From taste of fashion after aspiration.